Hello. Looking to gain an expert knowledge of inspector calls but haven't got hours and hours to spend doing it? Well, look no further. In this series of videos, we aim to give you all the information you need from plot to context to theme and character analysis. So let's waste no time at all and immediately begin to explore the plot. Without an understanding of this, you have nothing to ground your analysis in. So, this is a three-act play. It's known as a well-made play in that regard. So in Act 1, the Burling family are celebrating the engagement of Sheila to Gerald Croft. After making many dramatically ironic statements, Mr. Burling welcomes Inspector Gould in. We discover that a girl has committed suicide. Mr. Burling is interviewed, and then so is Sheila, with the act ending on a cliffhanger. In Act 2, Gerald, who had an affair with Daisy Renton, formerly known as Eva Smith, is interviewed, as well as Mrs. Burling, who refused her charity when she admitted being pregnant. In the final act, Act 3, Eric is interviewed. The inspector gives his final speech before leaving. Mr. and Mrs. Burling immediately feel no sense of guilt. Gerald returns to the family to inform them that Gould, the inspector, was a fake. The phone rings to explain that a young girl has committed suicide and an inspector will soon be visiting the family, and the play ends after that point. So that's a rough outline of our production. Now we need to be thinking about our characters and our themes. So let's move on, shall we? Let's keep revising.